Welcome back to Grow My Savings. Every investor wants the same two things, high returns and peace of mind. But here's the catch. You usually can't have both at the same time. So the question is, how do you balance risk and reward to grow your money steadily without losing sleep at night? Today, we'll break it down into simple steps so you can find that sweet spot where your money grows safely and consistently. Let's start with the basics. Risk is the chance of losing money. Reward is the potential to gain money. Every investment sits somewhere on that scale. Low-risk options like savings accounts or bonds are stable, but they grow slowly. High-risk options like stocks or crypto can grow fast, but they can also crash hard. The key isn't choosing one over the other. It's finding a balance that matches your goals, your timeline, and your comfort level. Imagine a simple line. On one end, low risk, low reward. On the other, high risk, high reward. Now, where you stand depends on your time horizon and personality. If you're young, with decades ahead, you can afford more risk because time smooths out short-term dips. But if you're nearing retirement, you'll want to shift towards safety and stability. You can also balance risk within your portfolio. For example, 60% in stocks for growth, 30% in bonds for stability, 10% in cash or savings for emergencies. That way, when one side wobbles, the other keeps you steady. Here's a simple 3-step approach to find your balance. Define your goal. Are you investing for retirement, a house, or financial freedom? Your goal determines how much risk you can take. Know your risk tolerance. If market drops make you anxious, choose safer investments. If you're patient and can ride out volatility, you can go for higher returns. 3. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Mix assets, stocks, bonds, real estate, maybe even index funds, so you're never overexposed to one area. Remember, steady growth comes from balance, not extremes. Balancing risk and reward isn't about avoiding losses. It's about managing them wisely. When you invest with balance, you grow steadily, sleep better, and stay invested long enough to win. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. If this helped you find your investing balance, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. And in our next video, we'll explore long-term thinking, how the wealthy stay wealthy.